it is I, Charlie of Science. And today, I'm going to find the science between two very popular toys. Which is, I find them all over YouTube and stuff. It's really weird. The two popular toys are Squishies and slime. So yeah, they're everywhere. And everyone's always like, oh, blah blah blah, I homemade this or I did that. Like every time I go on YouTube, how you first go on, it has like recommended for you. I always find like Squishy haul, or like Squishy dares. I cut my $30 squishy. And I always find like how to make slime, and then I find how to make fluffy slime. This is actually fluffy slime. I'm gonna do some of that in the end of this video. So I got this soccer ball from Michael's. It's a squishy. And we're going to find the science behind squishies. So everyone loves squishies. Probably already have some or have heard of them. So this is what I have. So this is my squishy. See, it compresses. And so we know everything is made of molecules. The air, my beautiful backdrop, my beautiful lab coat. Oh, and this is, yes, you could probably tell, this is a substitute lab coat. This is actually my sister's dressing robe. My usual lab coat is in the wash because I had a little accident making some fluffy slime last night. So, anyways, so yeah, molecules are everywhere. So this camera, molecules. My hand, molecules. These glasses, molecules. My real hair, molecules. Anyway, so the soccer ball is made of molecules. So when I push down, I am exerting a force strong enough to compact those molecules together for them to squish together. And so you see that? Now it's popping back up because once I let go of the first, the molecules expand again. So that's pretty cool. So boop. Expand. Yeah. So next time you squish a squishy, or if you have some, think about, how am I compressing the molecules and releasing them? So that's quite cool. Next thing was slime. So the slime is a little tricky to understand. So I'm just gonna kind of break it up. Okay, so first we're going to start with the polymer, which is glue. So glue is a polymer. That means there are chains, and each chain has a molecule, like this chain. See? They're all linked, and each molecule is the same. And there are lots of these chains all linked together. There's lots of these little chains. So if I were to pour the glue on the floor, the polymer, the glue, which is a polymer, the chains would fall apart. But here's what you add to slime to make it slime. So I have the polymer, broken it apart, it's all kind of liquid. When I add sodium tetraborate, so you may already know what that is. Sodium tetraborate is borax. So the borax, sodium tetraborate, acts as a magnet, and all the polymer comes up in its little chains. They connect and they make a more solid-like substance, because it's not exactly solid, but a more solid-like substance. So let me just review that again. Just quickly break it down. So the glue is the polymer, which you mix to make with sodium tetraborate to make slime, and sodium tetraborate acts as a magnet for all those little chains in polymer, and it makes a more solid-like substance. So, quite cool. There's more to these two toys than you think there is. Slime and squishies. Now, just saying, for my next video, I was looking up, I was just kind of, because I kind of got the basics of how like slime was created, but I wanted to know a little more. And I was on there, YouTube, and I found how to make fluffy slime. You can't tell, this is really fluffy. That's really, feels really good. Super stretchy. So this, I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to do a science experiment next video. My next video is going to be a science experiment. How to make fluffy slime, and then we're going to find the science behind fluffy slime. So please subscribe for the love of science and like this video for the love of science and fluffy slime. If you want another fluffy slime video, if you want a fluffy slime experiment video, subscribe and like my channel. It's all just science videos. They're quite entertaining though. One of the comments on my last video was quite entertaining, and it was quite informal and entertaining. So if you like information, but you love science, you like information, even if you don't like science, maybe I can teach you something to love science, because science is everywhere. So